What is up, Jerk Squad? I am the Perch Jerker, and today I'm doing the Bomb Hot Sauce Challenge. This video was brought to you by Rick from my work, and it was requested by none other than Big Worm Herm. Some of you may have seen the Bomb Hot Sauce before on the show Hot Ones, and this is usually where all the guests on the show crash and burn. Now, I am going to put a generous amount on this piece of chicken, and I'm going to eat it and see what happens. Once I chew and swallow the chicken, I'm going to start a 5-minute timer, so I have to sit here and endure the afterburn for 5 minutes. During these 5 minutes, I cannot eat or drink anything. I simply have to sit here and endure the burn. I hope I'm going to be able to do this. This is the hottest thing I've ever eaten. A couple weeks back, I did the Buffalo Blazin' Carolina Reaper Challenge, the new sauce at Buffalo Wild Wings, and this sauce right here is way hotter than the Buffalo Wild Wing sauce. So much hotter. This will officially be the hottest sauce, the hottest thing I have ever eaten in my life. So with that being said, please go down and subscribe to this channel. This is gonna be mental. Alright guys, it's time to cover this piece of chicken in liquid sadness and see what happens. Now that's my little piece of chicken right there. I hope you can see it. This is the bomb sauce. This stuff is incredibly hot. The Bomb Beyond Insanity sauce. We started with habanero peppers and blended them with smoky chipotle peppers and natural pepper extract to create a sauce that was lab tested at 135,600 Scoville units. Wicked beyond belief. All right, let's do this. I got my water over here just in case there's an emergency and I need to drink it, but I don't know. I'm not sure how much to put on here. So just to be safe, I'm gonna put a decent amount. I'm so screwed, man. All right, I don't know. That looks like a good amount to me. Oh man. All right, let's smear it all over. Oh, that is caked. Look at that. That is caked on there, you guys. Ooh, all right, that is definitely covered. All right, this stuff is no joke. I'm using a fork so that way I can make sure that I don't get it in my eyes and whatnot, because I'm sure I'm going to be sweating and crying and everything else. So, all right, guys, without further ado, oh yeah, let's lap it up. Lap up that good sauce, guys. Lap up a good time. All right, there she is. You can see the sauce in there, kind of. You can see the consistency. This is definitely the bomb sauce. If you don't believe me, that's your problem. You'll see my eyes water, and this is no joke. I don't need to fake it or anything. So, without further ado, let's go. This is it, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it goes up into your nose, too. I'm already drooling. All right, it's down. Oh my gosh, there's a timer. Ow. Oh my gosh. Whew. Okay, okay. As soon as you eat it, it starts burning immediately everywhere. Oh, sorry, it's like getting caught in my throat. Oh. Oh. Okay, okay. Oh, there's the hiccups. Yep. Excuse me. Oh, that is really hot. Oh my god, that is really hot. The hiccups are rolling. Here comes the tears and the sweat. Tears and the sweat. So, my tongue is extremely hot right now. And it goes into the back of your throat. Oh, and it is all around my mouth, too. Oh my gosh. Look at those tears on my face. Oh. Whew. Oh, man. Whew. Yes. My nose is now running. That is very, very, very hot. Whew. Oh, hiccups. Oh. That is the hottest thing I've ever eaten. Oh my gosh. Whew. I don't know what to do right now. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so hot. Whew. All right, we're chilling. It's kind of hard to talk, but I'm gonna try and talk. I don't know what to say. Go down in the link in the description and get some Perch merch. And then, yeah, that's about all I can think of right now. Whew. Oh, that is so hot. We're not even halfway there. Oh, look at my face, dude. Oh. Whew. Yeah, this afterburn is what separates the men from the boys. Oh, and it is afterburning very bad right now. Whew. Oh my gosh. But yeah, like the back of my throat, all over my tongue. Whew. It is just so crazy. I just want to eat an entire snowman right now, please. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so incredibly hot. When this 5 minutes is up, I am going to be drinking that water for sure. For sure. Oh, man. Whew. All right, so what's up, Jerk Squad? How you guys doing today? You having a good time? Okay, cool. Oh, my gosh. Oh, man. It like gets in your gums and everything, too, dude. I can feel it going down my esophagus. If I had to put this at a rating, I would say my heat level rating right now is like a solid like 7.3, dude. 7.3. 10 being my face on fire. But this is like a 7.3 right now. Oh my gosh, shout out Big Worm Herm for making me do this. Shout out to Rick for giving me the sauce. Whew, whew. Oh my god, this is so hot. Oh, this is the hottest thing I've ever eaten in my life, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know what to do. What do you do? Is there like a thing? Dance or something? Like, what do you do? Instead of just sit here and just endure it. But yeah, like the front of my gums are burning. Come on, what do we got? One more minute. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I consider my spice tolerance high, but this is the hottest thing I've ever eaten in my life. Oh, this is the bomb sauce. The next challenge I'm going to be doing is the last dab, which is hotter than this, and I don't want to. I don't want to. But if you guys like this video, I'll do it. If you guys like this video, I will go ahead and eat the last dab next. I will do the same thing and cake a bunch of it on there like I did. Oh my gosh. Look at my face, dude. I've got sweat like rolling off my nose. My eyes are watering nonstop. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Why does it get worse? It doesn't get any better. It just keeps burning worse and worse. Oh my god, that's a timer. Okay, oh my gosh. I did it there, 5 minutes. Da bomb hot sauce. Thumbs up, guys. Please like and share this video. If nothing else, just hit the subscribe button, please. This hurts so bad. I actually do really want a sip of this. Oh my gosh. Oh, water doesn't help. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, water doesn't help. Alright, guys. Whew, that was really hot. I wouldn't recommend doing this, but it was kind of fun, I guess. I don't know. Is this what fun is? I guess this was kind of fun. Oh my gosh. That is hot, dude. That is so hot. Oh. Alright, jerks. I'm gonna cool my mouth down. Thanks for watching. I hope this entertained you guys. Oh my gosh, it burns so bad. Don't do this. That is so hurtful. But I told you guys I would do it, so I did it. So please subscribe to the channel. If nothing else, just hit subscribe. It takes 1 second. And I'll see you guys next time, whether it be a hot sauce video or a fishing video. I'll see you guys next time. All right, Jerk Squad, I'm out. Peace.